If your CapCut audio is not playing, cutting out, or lagging, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. This is perfect whether your sound is completely missing, your audio keeps glitching during playback, or CapCut starts acting slow because of cache or memory issues. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's fix it. First, let's handle the most common issue, no sound or audio not playing at all. Open your project in CapCut and take a look at the mute controls. Start by checking the main volume slider. If the overall volume is turned all the way down, CapCut may seem like the audio is broken, when really it's just muted. Bring that slider back up to a normal level and test the playback again. Then check each individual audio track inside your timeline. Sometimes a track gets muted by accident, especially if you've been editing multiple clips. If the track mute icon is enabled, just turn it back on. This small step fixes the problem more often than people think. Now, if your audio is not exactly missing, but it is cutting out, lagging, or stuttering during playback, the next thing you should do is clear CapCut's cache. Cache files are supposed to help performance, but over time they can become overloaded or corrupted and start causing playback issues. To do this, go to the menu inside CapCut, then open Settings and find the cache size option. From there, clear the cache. Once the cache is cleared, restart CapCut and reopen your project. In many cases, this alone is enough to smooth out the audio and make playback feel much more stable. If the issue is still happening, the next fix is to close background apps. Audio drops and lag can happen when your device is running too many memory-heavy applications at the same time. CapCut needs enough system resources to process video and audio properly, so if your phone or computer is overloaded, the sound may stutter or stop briefly. Close anything you don't need running in the background, especially apps that use a lot of RAM or processing power. After that, restart your device so it can refresh the system memory completely. Then open CapCut again and test your project one more time. If your audio still isn't working after these steps, go back and recheck the volume levels, the track mute buttons, and the cache settings one more time. A lot of audio problems come from one small setting being overlooked. Also make sure your media file itself isn't corrupted, because sometimes the problem is with the original audio clip and not CapCut. But in most cases, these 3 fixes will solve it quickly. So just to recap, if CapCut audio is not playing, check the mute button and volume slider. If audio is cutting out or lagging, clear the cache through Menu, Settings, and Cache Size. And if the problem continues, close background apps and restart your device to free up memory. These simple steps can save you a lot of time and frustration. If this tutorial helped you fix your CapCut audio problem, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.